You can come over this way. Come over this way, you got it. Come on over this way. Stop acting like you can't drive all that rump. Come on. I trust you. You got the emergency brake off? Yeah. Okay. You gotta go get some gas. Come on, come on. You on that hill, that's why. There you go. Which way you going, that way? Hey bro, how I feel to drive your new car? For the first time out of the garage.
I ain't gonna lie. After
Yeah.
2 years?
Huh?
It's fucking fantastic.
How the transmission feel? Good?
Well, besides
Yes,
the
it
paint,
is.
it's absolutely brand new.
There we go, there we go. And that's a man, this time of night at
I don't care.
129, 130. Just getting this car ready.
This is the first
Fresh
time-
off the block,
first
brand
time
new.
I see it out.
And out the garage. And we got him to do it finally, and that's good. Thank God, and that's the owner right there. That's the man. You gotta take and get some gas now. Okay, here we go. One more thing for the road, bro.
I'm gonna go ahead and lock this up.
Yeah.
We lock.
Cut that up.
Just put this in.